Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Hassam, and in this video I'm going to try a method that claims you can make $3,000 per week by copying and pasting text. In this video I'm going to try this method and show you a step-by-step process that I take and just see if it's possible to make this amount of money in a week. So follow me in this video, and if you enjoy, please like this video. And now let's go to the first step. In this method, the first thing I'm going to do is to open a Google Doc file. I go and just the blank document and I open it here, and we will use it in the later stage. In this method, I'm going to use the Temu website, which is something like Amazon.com with lots of products that people can sell. But here we're not gonna sell any products, and instead we're going to use the affiliate program, which is great in this website. And here what we do is just go down the page to this section at the end that says affiliate click for cash. And here it says that you can earn up to $100,000 per month. I think that sounds like a very big thing to do, but I think it's not really something that everyone can do. But anyway, what I'm going to do is that we are going to join this program and then share it and earn money. So the first thing we do is start getting started with here, which is free. So I just go ahead and I sign up with my Google account. So I think there's a bonus $3 here. So what we are going to do is to create some articles and also use our affiliate links from the products in Temu and put them in our article, so that when people are reading our articles and clicking on our links and they buy the products, we get a commission from the sales. To get started with writing the article, we need to use ChatGPT. And ChatGPT can help us to create great articles related to the niche or the product we are going to promote. So here I'm going to use the prompt, which is going to be this one: pretend you're an expert, like niche, target audience, and list of appealing topics. We can put the topic fitness niche, okay? And click here and see what ChatGPT does for us. So after it's done, we go to the second prompt, paste it. So instead of the enter topic here, we can use one of these things here, for example, like yoga. Okay, we go with yoga and put it here. Okay, now I click this and see what it does for us. So it's giving me a lot of good topics here to use for our articles, but we can choose any one that we like. And then we are going to choose the last prompt here, which is please write a highly engaging, easy to read article about the following titles. So if we can choose one of the titles here, for example, the first one, unlock your inner peace. So we put the title here and we click. So ChatGPT starts writing a great article for us, as it seems. And I think we just start with an introduction and the power of yoga for anxiety, going to different topics related to yoga. So after the article is created here, we go here and copy the article and go to the Google page we had, the Google Doc page, and just paste it here. The article is ready here. And now let's move to the next stage. Alright, now that our article is created and we have pasted on Google Docs, it's time for us to add the affiliate links to our article, which is based on the specific niche or product we are promoting here. So because our article is about yoga, I go here to Temu website. Here I just go to this section which says pick items, okay, at the top. So I choose this one. And you can choose a variety of products here, and it tells you how much you can get, as an affiliate. For example, here we are getting $3, and here we're going to get like $4 for every product that we sell. Okay, and because we are just looking for the topic which is about yoga, so I go here and search yoga. Here we can see that there are different products related to yoga. And this one, for example, yoga wheel back bending, or for example, we can see this one, it's a yoga mat, and if it's selling like $18, and if we sell it, we get like $6 as an affiliate. So I'm just going to use this one, this Yuga mat here. So what I do is just click the share, and here there is a link that we can just copy and use it as our affiliate link, okay, and we can use it in the article. And what we do here, we go back to the article that we created in the beginning, and here in this article we can see that we have to first just make it a little look good, like the things that ChatGPT added here. So after you make it look good, also you need to read it, because you know sometimes AI is not making something very meaningful, and you have just to read some of the paragraph to see if there is any problem or not. So we are going to add some CTA or call to action, which are some links here or sentences that ask the reader to do something. And this is like, for example, if you're interested in Yuga equipment, click this link here. So for example, I'm going to add here something like click here for best Yuga mat in 2024. And what I do, I add a link to this by going to insert link and add the affiliate link that we copied from the team website here. So I just add this, and this link is created. And if you just click on this one, it automatically takes the reader to this page where this Yuga mat is being sold to them, and they can buy this product and you get a share which is like $6. Now that our article is ready, we can publish it by going to the website called medium.com. Medium.com is a platform that you can freely publish your articles, and a lot of traffic come to your article and read it, and this is something that is really popular among readers all around the world. What you need to do is just go and sign up in this platform. I have already signed up here, and what you do is just go to the top section here and click write, okay? And here you can put your title, your story. And in this time, you may actually start copying and pasting your article from the Google Doc, but we cannot do it because our article is written by AI, and it may be detected by the Medium platform as something written by AI and not be published, you know. So what we need to do is just to make it like written by humans. And in order to do that, we can go to some websites that can humanize our article. So you can search online humanize AI, and so I'm going to add the article here, yeah, and then click to convert to AI. Now I can copy this and come here and add it here. Alright, now we go and make some final changes in our article and then publish it on our Medium platform. Now I just come here and I just copy this one. Okay, now here I just paste this article here. I copy the title here and put it in the title section. Now it looks really good. I think we've got the two call to actions here. So after it's done, we go to publish, and here we add some topics, or we can say some keywords here which are related to people searching for this article. For example, one of the things is Yuga. We can add it here, Yuga lessons, Yuga gear, or for example we can say Yuga mat. Okay, so we use these keywords here, and the people who are coming to this platform and searching for these words, they will be directed to our article and then they will read it. So after that, you just publish now and your article is published to the people all around the world. So I'm just going to try this method for the next few weeks and just see the results, and then I will share the results with you soon. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.